everybody, Michael O'Hara from Michael O'Hara PLLC. We got to talk about sexual extortion. Sexual extortion is a new crime that Kentucky just passed a law that went into effect today. Sexual extortion involves two different types of threats. One can be a threat to harm someone or their property, including their reputation, in exchange for that person acquiescing or agreeing to certain sexually oriented activities. The other is a threat to expose or disseminate sexually oriented material in exchange for anything, to essentially force someone or extort them to pay money or do something or not do something, any of that. Sexual extortion is a sex crime now in Kentucky. That means if you're convicted of it, you register as a sex offender. It can be either a misdemeanor or a felony. Felony means you can go to jail for a year or more. This type of felony is punishable for up to 5 years in prison. And in addition to that crime, sexual extortion can be the basis of other crimes as well. One of them is criminal assault. The other is criminal homicide. If sexual extortion happens within 90 days of an attempt of suicide, if the suicide, of course, is not successful, it can be charged as an assault. If the suicide is successful, it can be charged as criminal homicide. Aside from the criminal side, the Kentucky legislature has also made sexual extortion has recognized a civil action based on sexual extortion. What that means is that if someone sexually extorts you, threatens to do any of the things that we talked about for any of the reasons that we talked about before, you may have a claim that you can bring in civil court in order to get money damages to make you whole or to compensate you. Similarly, if someone you know was sexually extorted then committed suicide, that person's estate may be able to bring a claim against the person who sexually extorted them for money damages for the loss of that person's life. Now, one more thing about this law involves schools and your school children. Schools, school districts, school principals, school boards are all required by law now to give information about sexual extortion to the children that they teach. Not all the children, just the children that are at least in fourth grade. So this is what your child, your fourth grader, now is legally required to know about sexual extortion. Michael O'Hara, Michael O'Hara PLLC, protecting your freedoms more since 1994.